Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix voice chat missing in Roblox. Let's get started. First, open Roblox and click the gear icon at the top right, then select settings. Now go to the privacy tab. If you don't see the enable voice chat option here, it means that your account isn't verified yet, so let's fix that. Go back to the account info and look for verify my age. Click it and then use the phone camera to scan your ID and your face for verification. Make sure you are 13 years or older because Roblox only allows voice chat for verified 13 plus account. After verification, we start Roblox and go back to settings, then privacy. And you should now see enable voice chat. Toggle it on to activate voice chat. If it still doesn't appear, try clearing your browser cache or reinstalling Roblox. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.